Here we go, Geology for Kids, grades 4 through 8. Let's take a look at this kit. Of course, inside you're going to find all those beautiful samples that we have in all of our kits. This one here is geological examples of erosion, volcanic rocks, individually bagged and labeled, rock-forming minerals, because kids need to know what goes into making up the rocks. Metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rocks. Of course, we have a beautiful fossil collection. This is the plant fossils, the vertebrate fossils, and then the invertebrate fossils. Down here in the bottom, plutonic rocks. And then, of course, is the study. We love this study. It is so complete in so many different ways. There are 11 video lessons in here to complement the different text lessons that you have. You can see it's beautifully illustrated. The kids are going to have note-taking pages that go along with the videos, helps them learn to track how to actively listen and take notes. There are projects, thought questions. You can see here a review page. Full color. It's just a beautiful study, and it's from a biblical perspective, so you know that what the kids are going to be getting is sound, will line up with their biblical history, and will be good science. Some of the subjects you're going to be covering in this study. Certainly the different frameworks, whether it's a biblical framework or a secular framework, the different rock types. Going to be getting into things about mineral identification, oceans, some volcanoes, dinosaurs. Kind of a scattershot across geology, helping the kids get introduced to it and feed that love that they have for rocks. You can order this kit at our website, northwesttreasuresgeology.com.